Hello and what is up YouTube? I've received a sudden interest for the quintessential quintuplets. While I'm out of the dating game, Miku is not, and I have placed my order for lots of Mikus. Today we have the Nakano Miku 1.5 from Pop-Up Parade yet again. In one of my YouTube comments, I've said that I'll be doing figures other than Pop-Up Parade, so please look forward to more unboxings from a wider variety of figures. Let's cut to the chase and get straight to unboxing. If you like to collect Pop-Up Parade stickers, we have yet a new fall sticker that reads Poly Canyon Certification, a Good Smile Company print, another print that reads Eiga Gotobu no Hanayome, and lastly Miku Nakano 1.5, something you have been waiting for to see if it holds up to the original Miku Pop-Up Parade. Miku's head looks extremely stunning from the window. In this box, we do have a modified base. I'm gonna paint my base black, but the base has a reduced size, I guess, probably to fit all the 5 quintuplets in close proximity. I welcome this change, and I do have Chun-Li right beside me. So this is a size comparison between Chun-Li's standard size base and Miku's reduced size base. Pretty cool this time. And right off the box, Miku looks stunning. If I were you, I would have head towards your favorite store and ordered her right now. The shoes look nothing more than the ordinary. The stockings look like black painted over skin color. Not too bad for consistency. Really, I can't tell if there's any inconsistencies in the paint, seeing the Miku figure on my desk with my naked eye. The matte texture is done pretty well on the cardigan and skirt. Well, to me, it looks like anime. I do collect realistic figures, but anime is anime, and this looks exactly like anime, and it's good. The headset around the neck. No panel lining, but it still looks good. Actually, I doubt figures this small has any panel lining so far. I like the hair this time, opaque on top and translucent at the bottom. The hair has a few different layers too. And the lines are sculpted in abundance, which makes the hair looks more detailed. A little part separation on the hair, but trust me, you won't notice it when you have it on your desk. The head sculpt finally. How does it compare to the previous Miku? I can't be totally sure about this because I don't own the previous Miku, but from the first glance, it does look like it corrected proportions from the previous Miku, and I would love to own this Miku compared to the previous one. Before I go, just a quick comparison to Nakano Miku from Corfu. I believe the Pop-Up Parade version is smaller, but the paint job and details are much better than the Corfu version. So please do enjoy the showcase of Miku 1.5, and as usual, Thanks for watching, and I truly appreciate when you subscribe to my channel. It does encourage me a lot. Thank you and see you soon.